Pantry essentials. 4 brushed steel 2-in-1 stainless steel salt pepper mill is the perfect dinner companion. Customizable grinding. Professional quality salt pepper grinder is fully adjustable from fine to coarse, able to provide whatever grind size your recipe book calls for. Simply loosen top nut for coarse particles, tighten for fine. Ready out of the box. Comes filled with premium quality whole peppercorns and pure sea salt, perfect for meat, soup, vegetables, or any meal that needs a boost of flavor. Lifetime guarantee. If your salt pepper mill fails to provide complete grinding satisfaction, we will repair or replace it without charge. Damage caused by accident or improper use excluded. Includes gift box packaging. Give the perfect housewarming gift with this dual pepper and salt mill combo. Old Thompson stainless steel pepper salt mill, dual grinder 2-in-1. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. I was surprised at the high quality of this item. It came in a nice box, perfect for gift giving. The shaker is solid and sturdy in your hands. The grinders work as expected and I'm able to adjust the coarseness of the granules easily. It is oblong-shaped, not round, and a bit bigger than expected, but I'm very happy with it. For whatever reason I didn't expect it to come filled with salt and pepper already, but it did. One less step for me. I wondered if I would see any residual granules on my tabletop once I picked up the unit, but I haven't had that issue. After I am done dispensing salt or pepper, I give it one little shake over the food to shake off any excess granules, and it seems to be enough.